Played into midfield. Lift that over again. He's really swarmed there. That is excellent work in midfield. Bhuna FC on the move here. Looks to break the offside trap quickly. He's bent his run very well. He's through on goal here. It's a bit on towards the right-hand side. Will go himself, and it's a good save at the near post. And that's what we are talking about there from Bhuna FC. Decisive play going forward. Bent his run. Make sure he stayed on side. It's a crisp drive low down. The save hasn't been come.
Work into midfield, immediately close down. Not on the right hand side. Time and says to pick out a pass. So immediately.
The Singhal looks to play the ball into midfield. A bit careless there. Jaipur Elite FC now once again trying to build out from the back here. Altaf plays the ball into midfield to Lashram. Gets it back. Looks for the switch of play. It's an immaculate ball. Just getting caught in the turf. They're trying to find Kamal as quickly as possible. Good defending. Dipendra looks to play the ball forward. Good control. Just has to battle there. Namit should be favourite, and he grabs quite comfortably in the end. Again, a lot of nearly moments here for Jaipur Elite FC. Good release there. Again, look at the press here from the boys in blue. They play out the press quite magnificently well. Now deciding the long ball, and it's been comfortably dealt with. Again, good control, looking to turn away. Strong challenge, really tight battle there in midfield. Does really well to shield the ball. And now on the move here. That pass just away from his marker, but he does well, and good defending. Just steps across. Bipin making sure that progress was halted as quickly as possible. Cross comes in. Oh, it's a bit of a fumble there, and he recovers well. No panic necessary, but looked like a very comfortable get there for Mid. A good decisive call, just bursting out of his hands, but good reaction there. Progress again, lifted, good defending. Again, it's very proactive defending. You love to see that from the defenders, not trying to invite pressure, trying to snuff that out as quickly as possible. Defending. Kamal just looks to nick the ball off. He's done very well to show the strength again on the left-hand side. Puts the ball into the box. It's clear off the front post. And on the follow-up, oh, looks like it's just blocked by his own teammate. That was nestling into the bottom corner. Hinge is still not clear in the last touch coming off my jersey there. Look at this. It looked like he hit that cleanly into the corner. Ruma's effort cleared off the line by his own teammate. It looked like he just wanted to backheel that, Alish. That was the signal made, but it's a massive let-off there for Bhuna FC. On a kick here. And Amit has been called upon for action for a couple of occasions already. Corner comes in, front post, looks for the flick on, it's well defended. And Bhuna FC land a counter-attack here. Great strength to hold off the challenge. Looks to lay it off. It's very good defending. Great anticipation there. Now they can just play the ball out from the back. Pendra looks to find the midfield. Rumel showing strength. It's a bit of a forceful sliding challenge. Did well to evade that. Here's Alish. Clever pass into the channel. Good strength on the right-hand side. He'll look to clip the ball into the box. It's a front post chance. There's nobody there in the central area as Kamal was looking to latch onto it. Again, a lot of nearly moments there for Bhuna FC right now. They'll look to try and delay this first goal as much as possible. Been on the back foot. They've shown a lot of resilience. Offensively, they've held their shape. They've tried to repel as many attacks as possible. So far, it's worked. They need to find a counter-attacking threat here. Oh, it's given away in midfield. Dipendra with a lovely nick. Oh, the first time pass there by Jivesh. Doesn't work out. Now into midfield. It's a great challenge there. Immediately closed down. There's absolutely no time in midfield to dwell on the ball. Quick scan there. Al-Haishram as he looks to set up the attack from deep as that register. Left hand side, good turn. Again, it's patient now. Here's Alesh. He's on the left foot, back to Dipendra. Immediately closed down, that's good defending. On the right hand side, look to spring a quick counter attack. He's by himself here. He'll have to do a lot of work by himself here, Hiten. By himself, it's a very clever pass on the right hand side. Oh, it's a bit of a miscue there, and it's unfortunate. Singha looked to immediately pick his head up and put the cross into the box. It was good play though by Hiten and Singha. They were heavily outmanned. Still managed to carve out a bit of a half chance there, maybe an opportunity. It's just over 30 minutes on the clock. Both teams will hold for a drinks break here. Again, rare entry into the Jaipur Elite FC box. Back underway here as we're into the 15 minutes or so into this first half. A lot of nearly moments for both teams. Lovely pass. This is a very smooth move on the right hand side now. He's got support in the box. He looks for the low cross. It's good defending. Ensure he had that front post well defended. Danger still not averted. Great pace and power shown there. Great balance as well. Cuts the ball across. Oh, he doesn't get the contact there. Ball just getting caught on the turf maybe, and Jivesh not able to find the right connection. And Bhuna FC quickly on the counter attack here. And it's a one-man charge here. He's waiting for support and it arrives, and what a pick out. That is good defending there. Dipendra coming back and helping out. Here's goes Kamal now. Beautiful work. Real tempo aboard the game now. Jaipur Elite FC looking to make their inroads, but Bhuna FC finally have a counter-attacking threat. There's Bipin, looks to play that into midfield too. Defending now, it's time for patient play, patient build-up. There's Bipin. Looks for the switch there. Good defending, made sure that. Has to be careful though. Scott Aman at his back there. It's good press there. Immediately making sure that the defender had no time really. Jaipur Elite FC camped Bhuna FC half territory here. Throw-in will be there by Altaf. He looks to fling this ball into the box. Look at that for a good throw-in. And the first pass is a big chance to make it 1-0. And from the throw-in, they have got the breakthrough here. Looks like the last touch came off Alesh, who was very, very predatory in terms of finding his finish. Magnificent work then. What about that for a set piece? The throw-in on the money, the flick-on header, and then the finish. How about this for a throw-in? My goodness me, it was on the money. And that is when a coach feels so pleased knowing that a set-piece routine has worked. That is hours on the training ground. And we have the game's first goal. It's been long overdue. A lot of nearly moments. And we have the goal. Look at this for a throw in. The keeper decided to come. The flick on header was good, and that is a very clever finish. Off balance, outside of his boot. As Alesh gets the first goal. It's a great flick on this from Aman. Look at this. Right in the center of goal. And Alesh with the finish. First goal of this Group D comes via the boot of the number 10. Good ball onto the left-hand side. Just to put the ball into the box. Lovely footwork here from Kamal. Looks to put the ball in. It's good header out.
Two changes, sir. Two changes.
Midfield immediately swarmed there. He can't dwell on the ball then. He's very, very fortunate. Goodness me. He pinched the ball back legally there. There have been a lot of trouble. Took forward. That's an outstanding touch there just to kill the ball dead. Now played it into Dipendra. Splits the line, he's bent his run very well, picks his head up immediately. Cross comes in, first time ball. That is a decent delivery and well collected there by Amit.
Come on. Ready.
Good interception. Plays it to the skipper. Good one touch. Looking for the 1-2 there, but they were not on the same wavelength there. Immediate hand of apology, but waved away by the skipper.
Sure.
Calmly played into midfield. Now scooped over to the left-hand side.
Same color.
Get a move on here, Ravi. Can close down. This is great off-the-ball work here from Jaipur Elite FC, forcing them to go long. Every time they have decided to go long. A lot of success winning those balls.
Sir, I have a new with pink color. Covered with same color.
Here's Lashram. And back to the keeper, who's had very few touches of the ball. Immediately spreads it out to Bipin. Good movement from back to front here, looking to progress the ball. That is a beautiful pass there for Kamal. Advancing into the box. It's a great sliding challenge there. Great anticipation. Made sure that Kamal wasn't going to make any more progress. With the number 9 on his back, making those slide challenges. On a kick here now. It's a double substitution in the first half as well. We rarely see that, but it is, would call it a bit more proactive in terms of substitutions. Shashi and Shaib have been introduced. Cross comes into the box. Oh my goodness me, the keeper was hoping it was off target there. He was caught on his heels and the ball just pinballing in the box. In the end, they managed to clear that. Another goal before the halftime whistle will really change the complexion, and we have another throw in here. Altaf, the other side, made the big difference as he looks to sling this ball in. Again, it's right on the money there. The keeper decided not to come and they managed to clear. Lovely touch to Plit Taraf, but the counter-attack is on here, immediately snuffed out. Miss and let that go out. Good work there. Again, the defense not panicking. Strong challenge. And immediately looking to halt the progress. I think that might have been a foul there. Immediately conceded. Into the final 5 minutes of the first half. Jaipur Elite FC through a goal from the number 10 Alish in the lead. A very well worked set piece routine. Next in there, but he's absolutely outmanned there. 3-on-1. No support in midfield, and now Jaipur Elite can look to counter attack. They look to take their time on it. They've picked the ball high up the pitch here. It's 3-on-2 with a couple of players in blue streaming back. By himself, good work there by Singha again, trying to chink and turn. He's been out-muscled quite comfortably there. That is excellent defending there from Bipin. He's using his body strength, ease him out the way and win the ball clean as a whistle. You can expect good work down the right-hand side. Strong work down the right-hand side. He's immediately closed down. Good work. Chops it on his right foot. Looks to lay it off and then go for the finish. Oh, that might have been a foul there. He had to be very, very careful. Still on the ground. Now look to chop in on the right foot. Lovely work. Looks to close it down. Switch the pass onto the left-hand side. Hit into midfield, looking to turn. Immediately on the left-hand side, looking to just ease him out the way. Final 2 minutes of the first half. Spread into midfield, allowed to turn. Sweep the ball onto the right-hand side. He decided to take his time on the ball. Gets the 1-2. That's lovely move down the right-hand side. Good strength shown. Looks to put the ball in. Good composure. He's heavily outnumbered. They're waiting for support. It is good defending. Manages to clear the ball. Here's Alish. Close down. Into midfield again. It's a heavy touch. The ball just bobbling around a bit awkwardly. There's Lashram. Here's Kamal now. Strong challenge there. He's been a bright spark going forward. He's got enough support down. Jeev is trying to win the ball back. It's well defended. Played into midfield. Spoon forward. Have to do a lot of chasing by himself. Goes back to the keeper. Good angle there in the pass, I would say. Making sure it's away from the danger areas where the final 30 seconds of the first half. A goal courtesy of Alish on the throw in. Might be a foul there, immediately blown by. And into midfield, lovely switch of play. There's a strong challenge, standing, sliding challenge. Then look for a quick counter attack there, but it's well defended. Vipin once again coming across. Finds Ailesh, the goal scorer, now on the right hand side. So the quick 1-2. He's found his teammate on his left foot. Goes for the strike and sets a good defending block. Made sure, might have been a foul there. He's tucked his jersey and he's gone for more. Lucky to avoid a yellow card there, but since it's so far away from goal, he decided to just left him off with a warning. Into the box. Lovely touch there by Kamal. Strong work. Oh, it's a good 1-2 there. It's a clever pass. There's an overload on the left hand side. Decided to go centrally himself. And be easily claimed there. Whether or not he's going to get a penalty for it, he's going to get it, you know. It was an off the ball incident. There was no real need to go for it. And out of absolutely nothing, there is a penalty. Look, there was no way he's getting to the ball. Altaf making sure he just grabbed him, and there was a very definite call there by the linesman. And out of absolutely nothing, Bhuna FC have a massive opportunity to level things up just before the stroke of half time. It was favorite there. He was going to grab. Penalty kick now has been confirmed, and Bhuna FC have a massive opportunity here to level things up. Big moment here. Set. Goes for the penalty, and it's a very calmly slotted pen right in the corner. And Bhuna FC have leveled things up. A very composed kick from the penalty spot. And we're back level here just before the stroke of half time. Lovely penalty there from Hitin into the corner, and both number 10s have now registered on the score sheet. calmly done there. Keeper goes the right way. It was right in the corner. Now both teams back level. Lovely turn away from trouble. Played into midfield. Now looking to turn. Here's Laisham. Strong challenge. Kamal holds off the challenge. Ball just deflecting back. Just clear, he's got that away. Again, he's by his lonesome there. He's having to do a tireless job by himself. Played into midfield, allowed to turn. Immediately spoon forward. He's got plenty of bodies for support there, and it's good closing down, making sure it's not enough in it, and Bhuna FC can try and launch a counter attack on the right hand side. Here Singha immediately picks his head up. Should be the keepers. Might have taken a touch there. The keeper had to really rush out of it. Bit of miscommunication. Be out for a goal kick though. The referee has blown the half-time whistle here at the KASA Stadium in Diphu, Assam. And it's been a very intriguing game of football here. Jaipur Elite FC taking the lead. Alish very cleverly worked set-piece routine from the throw-in. And Bhuna FC responding with a penalty kick on the right boot of Hitain, who drew his team level just before the half-time break. It's half-time here. Bhuna FC 1, Jaipur Elite FC 1. Very little to separate the two teams in terms of possession. Nearly 50-50 in terms of shots on target as well. Even though 3-2. Tackles and corners. Again, the stats have been very, very fine in the match summary. It's half time here. It's Bhuna FC 1, Jaipur Elite FC 1.
As we celebrate KARBI ANGLONG Day, let us pay our respect and tribute to our famous leader, and let us continue strive for the fulfillment of their dreams and for the inspiration of the people of KARBI ANGLOng. There is creation of the autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need autonomous state under Article 2 for our region.
did already with 5 cameras. 1, 2, there was 1 more. If there is full, you can see that.
And we're all but ready for the start of the second half here. This I-League 3 Group D fixture between Bhuna FC and Jaipur Elite FC. 1-1 at the halftime break. Robert set here. Final check by the referee, Lingam Nongam. And we're off and running. Jaipur Elite FC kicking things off from left to right in their blue kit. Firm challenge early on. They look to keep the ball here. Jaipur Elite FC looking very comfortable, almost set to take a half-time lead. Strange decision by the centre half of Jaipur to commit the foul. There's no real danger there to give that glimmer of opportunity for Bhuna FC to equalize from the spot, which was taken by Hiten. Made no mistake. Here's Altaf, stepping forward a long way. Lovely switch of play onto the right-hand side. It's good defending. Are we making sure? Definition of tight marking there. No real space to operate. Without the ball into the box. This time making sure the first header was met. Good feet there. It's good composure shown. They're almost trying to get the work there by Bersa Vegas. Again, the boys in blue doing a bit of officiating themselves there. Referee Lingdo Nongam having absolutely none of it. Altaf's throw-ins have been a real weapon in the arsenal for Jaipur Elite FC. And the referee just having a bit of words here. Had to get a move on, and that's exactly what's happened. Here's Bersal. Clip forward. Immediately good defending there, just making sure. Ahmed touch tight to the attacker. Altaf's throw in. Once again, entry into the box. Good header, tries to go around the defender. The keeper should be favoured, and he gets there quite comfortably there, Ahmed. Immediately launched forward. The second ball has been picked up on the left-hand side. Here's Shashi, the first half substitute. Good feet there, lovely composure to fight a couple of challenges. And this clip forward. I'm trying to find that pass forward. Quickly goes down. This is a lot better here from Bhuna FC in terms of putting pressure on the defenders, trying to make it difficult for them to play out the back, force them to go long and try and win those first and second balls. Structure is pretty much similar. It finds the pass onto the left-hand side. Bipin, Altaf, Karsal have been pretty solid throughout the game. Immediately closed down, but he tries to find the pass forward. Good composure with the feet. Bhuna FC looking to build here. Strong play there to hold off the challenge there from Shaib. And there's a lot more bite in the tackle here from the boys in white. See, a bit passive in that first half. A little bit of a tactical tweak in terms of just applying pressure and being a lot more aggressive off the ball. Box, but the ball had gone out of play. Will be a throw in for Jaipur Elite. Looking to build out the back. Here's Altaf. Played into midfield once again, drawing the press here. Much better with a three-man press going forward rather than a solitary player just looking to press by himself. A bit of a fruitless exercise rather. Just trying to press by yourself. Players these days technically very sound. They'll just pop the ball around you, bypass that press. Forward, solid header. Again, it's been a bit scrappy in this first 5 minutes of the second half. Both teams not really wanting to make a mistake. First game in the group stages. You want to make sure you start off with a win. More importantly, make sure you don't lose. Situations will be very, very critical as the tournament progresses. Just a reminder, in the first half, Jaipur Elite FC had taken the lead courtesy of a set-piece routine and Alesh providing the finishing touches. Bhuna FC with the 8 equalizer via the penalty spot. Both the number 10s, Alesh and Hiten, getting on the score sheet here. Like this from the referees, they've been making sure that the free kicks have been taken from the right spot, just establishing their authority. Altaf with a very heavy touch. Goalkeeper should be favourite. He'll collect that. Yes, he's done that quite calmly in the end. A quick release here. Here's Laishram. Left hand side, gets it back. Immediately head on a swivel here. Looks for the switch of play but decides against it. Now he'll switch the play. It's well headed. There's excellent work there from Ravi. Altaf playing more as a right back here, or as a forward. Calmly done. He gets it back. Not able to turn on the right hand side. He's got a bit of support, but it might go himself here. Takes a long way around. The cross comes into the box. The keeper manages to get a fist to it. An early warning sign there. He takes no chance and just hacks that out. Much better here from Bhuna FC. It's direct play down the right hand side. Just to put a devilish ball into the box. And they're doing very well to get firm touch on it to get that away from the danger area. Nicely taken throw in, but it won't reach his teammate, and then we'll be out for a throw in. Again, in terms of effort and application, teams have really acquitted themselves very well, representing the badge. Dipendra losing out, and they win the ball back quickly there. Here he is, Dipendra. Immediately releases the ball, looking to turn away from trouble. Excellent work there, just trying to keep his balance there. Foul hasn't been given. And Bhuna FC realizing that Kamal is the danger man on that left-hand side. Every time he picks up the ball, I feel like he's going to try and make something happen. As soon as you get the ball, you know that players in white are going to try and swarm around and make sure he doesn't turn, doesn't drive with the ball. Easier said than done, though. Good strong play there from Jivesh, just trying to hold off the challenge. Clip pass, good control. Heavy challenge there, and he manages to still keep the ball. Now played into midfield. Lovely feed there from Shaib. Now looks to switch the play onto the right-hand side. It's a good ball. He'll do well to keep that in. Does magnificently well. Takes the long route around. The last touch coming off Bipin, and it will be a corner. League 3 live on the AIFF YouTube channel. Also available on KARBI Live and SportVot. Plenty of avenues to catch this action. You see these players representing the badges with real distinction and honor here. Plenty of action with 5 groups on display, 5 teams in each group as well. There's plenty of football. Actually consumed here as corner comes in. It's played at the edge of the box. It's a bit, almost a free header there, but it was going to be a difficult one to control. We'll go harmlessly out for a goal kick. So over 10 minutes played in the first half. No real clear-cut opportunities so far, which will please the defenses for both sides. Possession stats in the first half would have favoured Jaipur Elite FC, as they did a lot more with the ball in terms of keeping it, trying to move it from side to side. Much better press here. Look at this. Trying to make it as difficult as possible. That 3-man press. Trying to cut down the passing angles. But what happens is when you try and press with 3 or 4 going forward, a few passes between the lines, have a bit of an overload. Nice, I'm looking to dictate from deep. A heavy touch there, manages to keep it, gets it back, immediately picks his head up, looks to find his next passing option. He's done well to resist the press and trying to move forward, gets it back. He's trying to be the orchestrator there, and he's done very, very well to keep the ball. It's a smooth move, this. Here's Jivesh, plays it on the right-hand side to Altaf. Centrally into midfield. Good touch there. Here's Jivesh. Might go on his own here. Jivesh lets it go. It's a big chance, and a water block that is. Threw himself at it. Got nothing but ball. Brilliant work by the centre half there. Jivesh just looking to open up the space on the left-hand side. Decide to lay it off instead of going himself. Look at this for a sliding. It's a great block. That is textbook. Absolutely brilliant that from Kushwant. Tumble off the ball, but quickly restores his balance. Dipendra does magnificently well. What a through pass that is. Can he find the finish? Big block there. Oh, that was a huge opportunity. Magnificent work there from Amit to close down the angle. Sensational work there from Dipesh. My goodness me. Dipendra rather. The perfect thing to find is number 9, Aman. Tried a low shot into the corner. Look at that. It's straight at him. On the follow-up, it was cleared away. First real big opportunity in the second half. That should really ring the alarm bells there for Bhuna FC. Try and close down the spaces there for Dipendra and Raishram, who look to dictate in midfield. A bit of a tension needed for the keeper. He's holding that shin area. Now, whether or not that might have been a contact injury. Yeah, that side of the calf may have just taken a knock. Will be a throw-in here for Jaipur Elite FC. Bhuna FC have to be switched on here while defending it. Early in the first half, that's exactly how they conceded. Hopefully they've learned their lesson this time. It looks like it's going to be Bipin with the throw-in rather than Altaf. Altaf has been tasked with most of the throw-ins. Both sides, actually. Good to see Amit back on his feet. I'll get his gloves on quickly as we can proceed with the action here. Throw in coming. Get into a dangerous area. Burst to the flick on. The flick on works, but that will go over the crossbar and out for a goal kick. Again, they seem to be winning those first balls in the air. Those flick-ons are so dangerous because you really can't anticipate, and it's very close to goal. Panic stations really set in. Booted forward, awkward bounce there, and he'll manage to get the ball there. Oh, it's a big slide challenge there. Another evasion of the challenge. Look up. He's got a couple of options. The cutback is not good enough there. He had to make the decision quicker. Big opportunity there for Bhuna FC. All comes from a long punt forward. I think Bersal Vega is just losing the trajectory as soon as he pitched up. And now he has to make the decision. It's far too late. Good defending there from Bipin, just closing the angle, anticipating the cutback. Corner kick here. Just over 60 minutes on the clock. The box goes for an acrobatic effort just to hook that back into goal. Out for a goal kick. Jaipur Elite looking to get a move on here. Again, the press is good here. You can see they're making it as difficult as possible to try and build out the back. Dipendra looking to dictate. Immediately pinch the ball in midfield. Now they can venture forward. Excellent work. Crowded out immediately and looks to launch a quick ball forward. Takes no chances there. The centre half just clears that away. Acrobatics here. And just hook that from a very difficult angle. That's a strong challenge, and on the follow-up looks to just hammer that at goal. And the ball was just bobbling around and didn't get the connection right. Once again, Kamal, as soon as the ball comes to him, you can see players in white getting the danger signals on and try and close him down as quickly as possible. Once again, down that right-hand side, he's got a lot of joy, and it's a very strange decision to go for goal. It was a tight angle. He had a couple of players in the box to aim at. Went for goal instead, but that right-hand side proving to be very fruitful here for Bhuna FC. Expect them to hit that on a few more occasions. Here's Aman. And this is a good one-touch play. Scoop forward. Chase will be on there for Aman, but he's second best. Good defending. He's calmly taking. Oh, and that touch just gets away from him, and it will be a throw-in. Could fully expect Altaf to throw this one in. Similar position as to how they scored in the first half. With the throw in. Again, on the money there. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Almost like a corner kick that. So much power and accuracy, and it's so flat as well. Great challenge. He looks to just ride a couple of them, and it's an obvious foul. And Dipendra has just grown into the game. He's been a massive influence in the way they've played in the second half. Every time he looks to pick the ball up and advance, either by passing or just trying to take out a couple of men with his dribbles. Free kick at the edge of the box. It is edge rather, is quite far out. Would be take something very, very special to beat Amit from here. Whether or not he decides to go for goal himself or try and put the ball into the box, into a danger area. Amit has ranged his wall. Looks like he will go for goal here. He's a long, long way out. Punts the ball, but that should go well out of play and out for a goal kick. Ambitious. You got to really applaud the confidence, wanting to take that on. Kamal with that knuckleball technique. Trying to get that up and over. Booted forward. Oh, it's a forceful challenge. Quickly recovers. Dipendra again surrounded by two players. The ball has been lost. Trying to play that into the channel, but should be easily gathered. Here's Altaf. Lovely play between the lines. Finds Dipendra. It's allowed to turn. This is clever pass here. Immediately goes for the 1-2. He's trying to find the through pass, but it's well defended. Cuts out the grass lanes and once again down that right-hand channel. Here goes Bhuna FC. Can they wait for a bit of support? Support arriving. Goes to shot himself and hits the crossbar. Oh, big opportunity. That is an outrageous effort. Edge of the box. Fired that towards goal. Ahmed was beaten there. That is another massive warning sign here for Jaipur Elite FC. Look at this. Takes some touch. Gets it out of his feet. What a strike that is. Just clips the crossbar. Out for a goal kick. Tremendous effort that. Again, the warning signs are there for Jaipur Elite FC. Here's Alish. Here's between the lines. Trying to go on the right hand side. Here's Aman. Waits for the run. Gets it back. Good strong challenge. Really good battle there. Shoulder to shoulder. There's Dipendra now picking up all sorts of position in that midfield area. The right hand side looks to clip the ball into an intelligent area. Good defending just shepherds him out of the way, and the keeper will try and release a quick pass there. Good touch to get that out of his feet. Bhuna FC looking to build here. Oh, it's a good pass as he beaten the offside trap, but he hasn't. The offside flag has been raised. Can that right-hand channel proving out to be far too fruitful now? I think Jaipur Elite FC have to try and rectify that situation. Maybe in terms of pressure on the ball or try and defending that with numbers. It's been one-on-one. It's been really fruitful avenue. There's the goal scorer Alish trying to just thread the pass through the eye of the needle. Well intercepted. Pinches the ball very intelligently there, Jeevesh, and I was on the move here. Good pace shown. And just to keep his balance, it's a strong challenge. Keeps his feet. Is that into midfield? Goes for the... Oh, it's a lovely combination play. That was some sumptuous football. Lovely one-touch passing. Just trying to increase the tempo in the final third. And the defending is resolute. It's last ditch. Managing to just clear the danger away. Here's Dipendra. That should run harmlessly into the hands of the goalkeeper. Just over 20 minutes played in this second half. A couple of half chances for both teams. Bhuna FC with the best opportunity to try and get their way, the noses in front into the lead. The crossbar coming to the aid of Jaipur Elite FC. Here's Aman. Passed on the right hand side. Just take a couple of extra touches. He's done extremely well to just ride the ball over the line. Let's compose play at the back as well. And Bhuna FC look to launch an attack here. The header flicks the top of the head of Altaf, and it'll be a throw in here for Bhuna FC. They can get the team up the pitch here. Two changes by Bhuna FC in the middle of the first half. Shashi and Shaib coming in has really settled the team down. Proactive there by the coach. Really is a tough decision. Sometimes you need to be proactive to make sure the offside flag should be raised, and it's comfortably raised there. Don't really see coaches making those changes, trying to be as on the front foot as possible. As substitution here for Jaipur Elite. Divesh has been withdrawn here. He's put in a real shift going forward. Header out. Some challenge there. The foul will be given. And that Mahipat has come on for Jivesh. Free kick here. Dangerous situation here as he looked to whip the ball in. Cross comes into the box. It's a good height on it, but he'll just shepherd that out of play and will be out for a goal kick. Ahmed looking to quickly release. Yes, Kamal. He looks to have switched the wing now, playing on the right-hand side. No real joy in that second half. Down the left-hand side now with the introduction of Maipad. Have to switch the wings there. It's a heavy challenge. There's the goal scorer Alish. Looks to thread the pass once again. Good defending. Ball comes back to Dipendra. Finds Altaf. It's a clever ball. Good defending. Very diligently done there. Played into midfield. Tries to evade this press from Dipendra, and Altaf just steps forward. Brings the ball back. Really good defending. The back three have been very proactive here, although the right-hand side for Bhuna FC has borne a bit of fruits here. This is lovely combination play. Good reverse pass. Lovely feet shown. Ending resolute. Stick his foot in to try and close down the challenge, but the last touch coming off him. But takes the throw in. Instant control. Immediately pinch the ball off. Pendra closed down very well. Here's Hitain. Waits for options. Spreads it down the legs. Gone out for a throw in. First real time that we saw Hitain just picking the ball in midfield and looking to turn. Heading towards the final 20 minutes of the match. Nothing to separate the two teams. Head for the water break here as coaches will get their final real instructions. conclusion of the drinks break. It's going to be nothing but action here now in the final 20 minutes or so. Oh, it's a bit of a trying to just pinch the ball out from the back, but foul given. Kipjin trying to turn there. Ravi to take this free kick. His own half here just looks to launch this forward to a dangerous area. The first header not being won, and the keeper will calmly collect and look for a quick release here. Great work there. Excellent work there from Shashi. These things you don't really realize, because they don't really take the headlines in terms of pressing and covering those angles. So important. And the off-the-ball work, very impressive from the boys in white. There's a substitute. Mahipad just striding forward with the ball. Fresh legs, renewed energy. Trying to inject a bit of directness into the play. Good defending there. Just takes his boot out. Managed to get enough of the ball. Again, the second ball. Finding its way. Kipjin plays it forward. Shashi gets it back. Good defending. Very well played. Gets a foul for his troubles as well. Quick release, and Jaipur Elite FC can get a move on here. Yes, Kamal. Even goes good. Gets it back. Slight challenge is excellent. Absolutely brilliant. In terms of anticipation and execution of the challenge, had to get it spot on, and that's exactly what he did. To the final 15 minutes of normal time. Still nothing to break this deadlock. Ahmed plays it centrally. Looks to immediately release. It's a heavy touch. Gets away from him. Here's Dipendra. Just for a quick 1-2. He gets it back. Plays it around to the right-hand side. Excellent anticipation by Ahmed. Just to play the ball forward, but Altaf Shepard there out of play, and a quick throw-in has been released. Lovely footwork there from Alish, just getting caught. Immediately surrounded by a couple of players. That good footwork there. Raises the challenge, and Kipjin just tangles the leg out, and will be a free kick here. Will be taken by Alish. And watch that left foot now. As he's just going to deliver that into a dangerous area. Keeper almost deciding to come there, but the header is well over and out for a goal kick. Good ball there into the box. Nothing really wrong with that. Had enough pace on it. Spread out wide. KASA Stadium here in Diphu, Assam, playing host the Group D fixtures. KARBI Anglong Morning Star, the host side, will be joined in by Kenu Library Sports and Association and Mumbai Kinkre FC. Nice variety there in terms of teams and style of play. Excellent to see when each team really just gets the whole of the conditions, really. We'll see improvement. As you can see from Bhuna FC, first half they struggled a little bit, but in the second half, oh, there's a chance at the far post and he doesn't get the contact. My goodness me. Big opportunity there. And it was the number 9 Kushwan at the far stick with the opportunity with the side foot finish. Just a bit of a miscue there. The keeper not getting the right connection needed. He looked to punch there, and there's a massive let-off. They're trying to pitch the ball high up the pitch. This is where you talk about the coach. You see the struggles happening in the first half. Immediately made a couple of substitutions. The team have just improved, playing with a more aggressive style. Being aggressive is not just about throwing in and lunging in, making those challenges. It's all about team shape and how you attack the ball as a team. Your defensive line and pressing from midfield and the forward areas all make a huge difference. The challenge there is he asked for the corner, but the last touch might have come from the player in white. Altaf plays it to Bersal, who'll feed that forward. Magnificent touch there from my part, but he gets away from him. Good work there by Tutang to just step forward. Played into midfield. Excellent work there. Pushwan just anticipates the danger, steps forward. It's a strong challenge. It's a very, very aggressive play. Good leave there. Now down the right-hand side, waits for support. There is a player on the deck who might have just been struggling with cramps. Might have even pulled a muscle. There was a strong and forceful challenge in the middle of the park. Yes, he's holding back of his thigh there. Must be cramps, and immediately gets a couple of teammates to sort him out here. Hopefully he'll be able to continue. He's been a real engine in that midfield. To see who's back on his feet, whether or not he'll be able to continue in the final 10 minutes here. Plays that forward, good hold-up play, holds off the challenge, waits for runners, plays that into midfield. Goes for an ambitious strike from distance. It's well cleared, it's immediately responded there, now down the left-hand side. Here's the first half substitute. Clever bit of play there. It's a good pass there by Tutang. Now on the right hand side, just losing his balance, but still tries to put the ball into the box. Immediately cleared. Touch just getting away from Tutang there. Another ambitious effort from the edge of the box there, and you can hear this a collective groan there. Ahmed, a couple of occasions, looked to just pull the trigger well out as well. Strong battle in the middle of the park. I think there was a bit of a hefty collision there. The ball just getting caught at the turf. Not sitting up well there. And again, cramps just starting to creep in for the players. They've put in a lot of energy, not just the mental side, but physically they've covered a lot of ground. Good to see Tutang get back on his feet. It's okay to continue here. Good pass on the right hand channel. Let the ball bounce. Lifts it over the defender. Bersal keeping an eye there. It's a good ball into the box. That is a devilish delivery. Kipjan picks up the loose ball. Again looks to catch out the goalkeeper at his near post, and he just watched that hit the side netting, out for a goal kick. Into midfield, here's Kamal. Gets it back. And serving his options on that left foot, decides to play it short. There's Lashram. Here's Dipendra. Once again, urging his players forward. That's a very clever pass, and that is a crucial interception. That sticks his leg out, wins the ball cleanly. There's a previous attempt there. Kipchen trying to just catch out his teammate. Dipendra with the ball into the box. Again, good clearance there. Two players converging to win the ball. Heavy touch, but he gets away from it. That's outstanding burst there. That is a bit ambitious, expecting him to really chase after that. Keeper will sweep and collect. And that heavy collision at the middle of the park has seen two players really struggling there. Both physios on the middle of the park here, looking to just patch up the two athletes. That really was an ugly collision there. Both players look like they're struggling now. Whether or not they'll be able to continue, we'll wait and watch. And into the final 5 minutes. Just test out that ankle here. And I don't think he'll be able to continue. And this is not a sight we like to see here. Gurney coming out. Going to be carried off the pitch. Really is a shame. And just hoping that it is just cramps and nothing more. Any type of muscle injury or... Looks okay, that is good. He's just testing it out and has to be cramps. Lovely to see that he is able to make it back onto his feet. Whether or not they'll decide to keep him on, wait and see, but this is very good news. Excellent. Both players just going into a full-blooded challenge. We'll see quite a bit of stoppage time being added on. Game has been free-flowing. I've seen a few fouls there, but that'll be the main contributor to the added on time. Played into midfield. Alish looking to turn and immediately set his player forward, but straight to the hands of Amit. Played forward, taking no chances there to head that forward. Dipendra with an immaculate touch. Immediately drive with the ball and looks to find the through pass. Okay, that's a late challenge there with the referee not spotting or calling it as a foul. Again, that's an unfortunate situation there to see Ravi on the deck there, but the referee is quickly playing things on here. Maybe he decides to hit the ball out of play, but looks to carry on here. Shashi trying to have a jinking run there, but just running out of room. And now the referee will stop. Ravi was just struggling. He just pulled up there. Now whether or not that was contact injury. Into the final 2 minutes of normal time here. I'll be getting back onto his feet there. That's a very cute sight to see a young fan there getting his football training as early possible. There's a big chance there, my goodness me, at the far post. That is a fantastic knockdown, and he came flying in to try and meet the ball on the half volley. And it's a massive opportunity there. And those huge stoppages. Sure, oh, he went with the outside of his boot rather than his left foot. Big chance there. The keeper come flying out to try and close out the angle. And Aman had a big opportunity. Scored the goal, which should have almost showed them 3 points here. Really skilled down there. Good flick on header. Route 1 football, just playing that forward. Flick on header was good. Waiting for the run there. It's what happens when there are those massive breaks. It takes the focus out for a brief second, and it's all you need. Lovely pinch in midfield. He wins that cleanly. Now looking to move forward there, Tutang. Deciding to go back instead. Clever play, trying to keep the ball. He's pinched the ball up very well there in midfield, Racket. Final 30 seconds of normal time. Clever pass between the lines. Now have to spoon that forward to the left-hand side, but the ball has way too much on it and be out for a throw-in. It'll be intriguing to see how much time will be added on for stoppages, as there's another player suffering from cramps on the center circle. Here's Kamal on the right-hand side, rather, on his left foot. It's a strong challenge. They win the ball back. Another player's a bit of an injury there, and it really is. The players are starting to drop here. They've exuded so much energy into this match. These knocks and have really started to trot up. Into stoppage time here. Free kick. Very interesting spot here with the left footer. The reason for the left footer here is to try and almost take out the keeper from the equation. 1 minute played in the stoppage time here. The goal now will surely be the winner. Is the goal scorer Alish? With that left foot. I have to put the ball into the box here. Got a skipper for company here. Whether or not he's going to decide to take that or be a decoy. Kamal walks away. Leaves it to his number 10 here. On that left foot. Big moment in the match here. Comes into the box. Oh, it's a good defensive header there. Had to win the ball, and that's exactly what the centre half does. Gets that away from the danger area. Good commanding header there. And the keeper decided to come, but centre half dealing with the danger. Without throw in is good. Keeper punches. Gets that away from the danger area. Here's Dipendra. Shuffle forward, goes for the strike. What a save! A magnificent save there from Amit. Dipendra doing so well to just shimmy and get a couple of yards away from his marker, and he unleashes a fierce drive. Whether or not that was on target, it was definitely on target there. And a good tip away. Sharp work there by the goalkeeper. Corner kick here. Here's Alish. Into the box. The keeper decided to stay at home. Allowed the ball to bounce. He's asked for the penalty there, but it's so close. Really difficult to get his arm out of the way from such close distance. With 3 minutes played here. Stoppage time. Jaipur Elite FC, they've really camped in Bhuna FC's half here. Stoppage time. Again, the ball coming in. The first header won. Good defensive header to get that out of trouble. For a quick combination play. Strong challenge. Lovely footwork. Counter-attack is on here, but immediately swarmed by the blue jerseys. And Tyagi just plays that forward. Again, they look to try and get a move on here. As it stands, both teams destined for 1 point each in their first group game here. The I-League 3 Group D fixture. Lovely 1-2. Looking to move to forward. It's a clever pass down the channel. Looks for the cutback. It's a good defensive touch there. The final touch coming off the defender. It's another corner as we're headed to the 5th minute of stoppage time here. Heading the corner. Almost should be the final action here. Cross comes into the box. Keeper, no man's land. The header back on target and it comes safely into his hands. Oh, he just got away with that. It's got to be said. Came a long way out. Nowhere near that. Not enough power on the header. And safely collects. Hammer that forward. Touch getting away from him. Altaf heads that away from the danger area. Oh, it's a bit of a giveaway there in midfield. And tired legs, tired minds in play here. Almost getting the ball pinched off him. Playing on the left-hand side. Played forward very cleverly. Here Shashi. Got time and space to try and whip this ball into the box. Not enough on it, but the corner will be conceded there. Last touch coming off the defender. It's a corner here for Bhuna FC, and can they get this set piece right? Corner into the box. Keeper punches. Danger still not cleared. It's a good touch to just pluck that out of the sky. Leaves that away and it'll be another corner. This is good pressure here. Look at that for a touch. It's not easy to really bring that down. Battle going around on that corner and the last touch coming off. And he manages to clear that. It's a bit of a disappointing corner. Heavy touch, manages to get enough on it to make sure that he didn't progress with the ball. It's a heavy sliding challenge, nothing but ball. Magnificently done. Plays that forward. Touch is heavy, looks at the ball again, just bobbing around. It's very difficult on those sides. Spoon forward, excellent work there from the centre half, stepping front. Again, it's been a lot of breaks, a lot of turnovers in the set. It's a bit of a casual bit of play here. Oh, it's a giveaway again there from Ahmed. And now Jaipur Elite FC have a chance here to counter. Alish with a clever ball as he runs the channel. Just watch that ball go out for a throw. Good work there by the defender. Just gets his body in front of the goal. And the referee blows the whistle for full time here. A highly competitive game in the Group D fixture in the I-League 3 between Bhuna FC and Jaipur Elite FC ends here with a draw. A very competitive game. Played in the right spirit by both teams. Has been a great representation. Jaipur Elite FC took the lead in the first half, courtesy of Alish. A lovely work set-piece routine, and Bhuna FC with a response from the penalty spot there from Hitain to make it 1-1 at halftime. And in the second half, both teams with real competitiveness and fire to play the game. Neither of them could have had the second goal. Saw opportunities. Crossbar coming to the aid of Jaipur Elite FC. Fierce drive at the edge of the box. Jaipur Elite FC had the opportunity, courtesy of Aman. The flick on header, he couldn't get that on target. Sail over the crossbar. It's full time here at the KASA Stadium in Diphu, Assam. It's Bhuna Football Club 1, Jaipur Elite FC 1. Here's the statistics of the match summary of the game. Very little in terms of possession and shots on target. Marginal differences between the two. Tackles flying away from all again in the corner count. Jaipur Elite FC not having corners to really attack, and Bhuna FC couldn't take advantage of the 5 corners that they have. It's full time here. Bhuna FC 1, Jaipur Elite FC 1.
As we celebrate KARBI ANGLONG Day, let us pay our respect and tribute to our famous leader, and let us continue strive for the fulfillment of their dreams and for the inspiration of the people of KARBI ANGLOng. There is creation of the autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need